Hello everyone. Right now we're gonna welcome the Mamara Feridun Bayram. Give us a Turkish new market overview. Let's welcome him.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm from Turkey, and my company, Marmara, is organizing security show in Turkey. We organize security shows since 1999, and this year in 2009 in Istanbul we are going to organize the 13th edition. We are also the Turkish publisher of ANS. We publish ANS in Turkey. Well, I would like to tell you where I come from exactly to understand the position of Turkey. Turkey is in between everywhere. We have Asia, we have Europe, and we have Africa. I cannot move this. Well, you can see this is the position of Turkey. Asia, north we have Russia, here Europe and Africa. Turkey is more than Middle Eastern country, it's an East European country. When you look at our borders, we have Syria here, Iraq here, Iran, Armenia, Azerbaijan, Georgia. On the north of us we have Ukraine, we have Bulgaria, Greece, and of course with the Mediterranean Sea we have sea borders, naval borders with African countries. Well, the position of Turkey, as you can see, is in a place where we need lots of security. Well, Turkey is one of the big countries in East Europe. We have 70 million of population and 23 million of labor force. So GNP is 340 billion USD dollars. So we have number of household is 17 million. So household income is 20,000. So one for 4 people, one household. So you can see the position of Turkey. Well, Turkish Republic as a republic is 100 years old. You know, before the republic, we were an empire. So we are a young republic, and our population is a very young population. So, as you can see, 30% of the population is under 15. And also our local market is unsaturated. Because of our... Is it working? Yeah. Because of our young population, well, you can see the labor force. It's really high in Turkey. There is dynamism in the market. It's a very dynamic market. And this young population and this dynamism brings competition in Turkey. Well, we had 2 big world wars. We were in the First World War and also in the Second. So Turkey didn't have industrial revolution like the other countries, like Germany, like Japan, like some of the other countries. We didn't have an international revolution. So after 60s and 70s, we started to rebuild Turkey. So that's why the lifestyle started to change recently. It's not really old. So when you come to Turkey, you will see it's a European country, but in some small cities, we still need new buildings. And we are also one of the potential members of EU, European Union. We are not a member yet. We don't know if we will be a member or not, but we are negotiating. Well, this negotiation brings a different life to Turkey because we have to change many things. We have to make it suitable to the European rules. Well, as I told you that I've been organizing security exhibitions since 1999, and we spent 11 years in security markets. So I will briefly tell you something about security market. When I started in 1999, we had very few Turkish big distributors. Now we have plenty. In 99, 2000, until 2003, the market share was small. It was not that big. And mainly the products were from United States, England, I can say Europe, and also Israel. But mainly America, Canada, and England. But after 2005, it changed. Now we have the big potential from this area, this part of the world. And the sub-market in Turkey is growing. Well, at my first exhibition, we had only 60 companies. In my exhibition now, we cannot find place for the companies because there are really good, big companies, and also the market share got really larger. But as you can see, nowadays the capacity of Turkish market is $400 million. We believe it is in 3 years. If there wasn't this financial crisis, it would be faster, of course. At most, in 3 years, we will have potential of $600 million. This is very easy. This is nothing for Turkey. I showed you the map. The situation, the location of Turkey is very open for this, and it should be higher. Well, in Turkey, when we look at the market, the products, the main products are in all over the world the same. It's CCTV, and then intrusion alarms, and then fire alarms, access control systems, and others. When you tell security in Turkey, people think about CCTV, of course, cameras, and then intrusion alarms. And fire alarms is 10%, but it's going to be more because the rule, the law about the fire is changing. Now it's obligation to use fire system in the new buildings. Of course, you have to also renew the old buildings. And access control